Today I am eating fish or California fish grilled.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I already ordered my plate. Just waiting for it to get it picked up. But this is how we left it open. Oh, I gotta pick up my cup. Oh, I did it when let me pick up my drink. Thank you, Mama. So the drinks. There's the drinks too. There's the bathrooms. And drinks again. Let's go enjoy my food.